onion, sausages, boil your eggs. I only have two because that's all I need. And just make a sauce of your own. So I'm doing a concoction, but it tastes good though. Now I'm going in with the hot sauce. Not a lot. There you go. These kind of noodles, I'm using these today. All right, and this is the finished product. Let's get to eating. Hi guys, and welcome back as the tube turns. Hi, I'm Shamika, and today we are doing an egg boil, which I did it before. It's a TikTok thing. So it has sausage, egg, and ramen. And I just made a sauce, and I'm about to eat it. Yeah. And some wah. I have ginger ale. It's good for your stomach. It is. So, let me say my grace. How y'all doing today? I'm always looking at myself, but that's okay, right? I hope it is. Oh, I don't like that flying everywhere stuff. All right, here, y'all have some. That's one thing I do not do. When I'm making it for myself, whatever it is I'm making for myself, oh, it comes out good. Make taste buds, make taste buds, child. Like, really, like, your taste buds is everything, for real. I had asked this question to my kids and my pudding. She my kid too. My daughter-in-law, hey pudding. But I had asked them, did I give y'all some? This is good, y'all. It got a lot of onions too. I love onions. But I had asked them, what is your strongest sense? Mine's is my my nose. Here. I wish y'all can taste this. For real. It's good. But y'all, it's like my nose, because that's the strongest sense I have. And y'all know what sense I'm talking about. Don't be funny. Your senses. Touch, feel, taste, smell, hear, see. But my nose is dangerous. Like, I can smell from miles away. For real, I can smell. That's why my body has to smell good. And it's crazy, I never smelled my husband. Like, he never stinky. And he be working hard. Child, the sense, I can't see. I can't see. I think that's the worst one for me. I really can't see at night. I be looking like and Fred Sanford on Harlem Nights.
Yeah, there you go. You look good.
I don't feel no different.
Well, let's try it.
That's how I be looking at night. Child. This is so good. And plus, I'm a light sleeper, so I can hear good, like, not real good, come on, you sleep, but I can hear. Like, really, what is touch? Like, when you're using your senses, that's not what you want, right? Cause I think Derek and my son, cause I think my son and my husband was saying it's touch for them. But no, not like that. Like, cause isn't that a sense? Touch, or is it feel? I think it's feel. Like, but I don't know. I love onion. It don't matter how you give them to me too. They can be raw. I had put that the spicy hot sauce. I'm never eating that 2 times spicy again. It's too hot. It's too hot for me. I want to still be able to enjoy my food. Like, I don't want to eat nothing that's burning my lip off. I felt like when I did that video, I felt like I ain't had no lips. Or them things was covering my face. Like, I was using them senses then with the feel. This is really good. I know my taste buds are proud of me again. Let me see, what's the last thing I cooked that I did not like? I did have something though. I can't remember what I made, but it's been a while, but I did, a couple of times I made something that I was like, this don't taste good. Because nobody's perfect. And if you think you are, I'm sorry to tell you, you're not. But I swear I can cook, child. I think my husband the most, not my husband, because he don't see me. He don't want to see me. My son, he be trying it. He be trying it. Because he want to battle me in cooking. If y'all want to see that video of me and my son doing the showdown, leave it in the comments. Then we can make it happen. Even though I know I'm gonna win. Oh, look at that, y'all. Okay, go ahead. I'm just talking and eating because it's good. But go ahead. I know my face all in the camera. This was good. And it's not a lot of butter. Salt, no. I made a sauce. And I didn't use the packets that's in the noodles because it has a lot of sodium in it. So Took the salt away. Well, I'm full too. Just hit the spot. That's it, that's all. I'm looking at myself because I'm like, this lighting, I don't know what it's giving. But I guess I'll see after. But thank you guys for taking the time out to watch me today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Love me like I love you. And until next video, y'all. See you next time. Bye.